Excuse me, I'm Tiny Pinky, and she is Denise Asa. And you are? What's your name again?
I am Ben Ben. Can I embrace you?
Oops. What?
Can I embrace you?
Oops. What? Why don't you ask Denise? Hi, Denise. Can we embrace you?
What? You want to embrace Denise?
Yes, why not? She is my friend. Right, Denise? You are my friend.
Can I be one of your friends, Denise? Please, please.
Of course. Den will belong you as one of her friends.
Den? I thought she is Denise. She's a Den.
Oh, sorry. Denise love you, Den to be one of her friends.
Okay, perfect. That's good. We are now best friends.
Is that okay with you, Denise? Denise? Is that okay with you?
Yay! We are now friends. Yahoo! I'm so happy.
Me too. I am so happy. Thank you, Lord.